Everyone keeps asking, will AI take my job? But the question you should ask is, how do I become the person AI can't replace? Because here's the twist, by 2030, 90 million jobs may disappear, but 170 million new ones will be created. So let's talk about the real future of work. AI isn't replacing people, it's replacing tasks. The boring ones. Reports, scheduling, data entry, all gone. But leadership, creativity, problem solving, and communication, that's still you. AI handles repetition, you handle impact. By 2026, half of jobs will need AI literacy. But the real game changers are learning fast, communicating clearly, and solving human problems. The World Economic Forum says 40% of skills will change by 2030. So, if you're adapting, learning, evolving, congrats, you already are future proof. Let me tell you jobs that sound futuristic but are hiring today. First up, we have an AI tutor. You teach AI how to behave. It's like training a chatbot to be fair and polite. Next, sustainability analyst. You help companies save the planet and money. Third, digital twin designer. You build virtual cities, factories, cars to test before building them in real life. And fourth, human machine teaming manager. You make sure people and AI collaborate, not compete. So these aren't goals about robots. They are about people, context, ethics, creativity, and collaboration. See, AI can detect emotion, but it cannot create a connection. It can write words, but it cannot inspire hearts. It can predict trends, but it cannot lead people. So, the future won't be won by the smartest machine, but by the most human mind. So here's a three-step plan. First, learn AI tools. Let them make your job easier. Second, upgrade your soft skills. Third, never stop learning. Even 10 minutes a day changes everything. Right now, 75% people use AI, but less than 50% actually know how to use it well. That gap, that's your advantage. So next time, don't ask, will AI replace me? Ask, how do I become irreplaceable? If this helped you, share it with a friend who's worried about AI taking their job. And subscribe to the Corporate Dose for more career insights. Be future ready and stay human.